Are you looking for your ideal student accommodation near campus in London? Look no further. Set in vibrant Zone 1 of London, Wellington Lodge offers a premium range of beautifully designed en-suite and studio apartments. All well-designed rooms here are fully furnished and come with a comfortable bed, floor-to-ceiling windows, private shower room, and study area. If you need a break from the study, head to the common room located on the ground floor where you can spend lazy afternoons watching TV and catching up on your favorite Netflix show. There is also a dedicated on-site laundry that will help you tick off your daily errands smoothly. Wellington Lodge shares close proximity to the prestigious King's College London, LSBU, and UCL. You will have easy access to some of London's most iconic spots, including the London Eye, South Bank, Big Ben, and the Houses of Parliament. Waterloo Station is just a 7-minute walk from the property, so you're never too far from exploring the city. Make sure to book your rooms early. Visit us at amberstudent.com to find your dream student accommodation.